Hey, how's it going? Man, it's been a while since I uploaded. How long has it been? Okay, that's a long time, dang. But anyways, I'm back. Also, thanks to everyone for all the support while I was gone, especially the people in my Discord server who supported me mentally during my exams. Now, I had originally planned to make a Linux video with BlackCat, but as you guys know, things didn't exactly go as planned. But since you guys wanted something else, I thought about what would be the best way to start things off. And what better way to start than by sharing a few browser extensions that you guys suggested on my server. So, why wait? Okay, so first we got is Tab Time Tracker, and this one was actually made by my good friend Drago, so make sure to show him some love. Now, this one is only available on Firefox, and it's basically a nice little timer that shows you which websites you've been wasting most of your time on. You can see how much time you've spent on different websites, check whether you've actually been productive, and you also get a small breakdown right here. You can also change the theme if you want to match it with your setup. And guess what? He even made a custom theme specifically for me, which you guys can't use because it's mine. Thanks for the theme, mate. By the way, if you click on the settings icon, you can also block specific websites if you think you're spending way too much time on them. And you also have the option to export your data if you need it. So yeah, definitely check it out and show my friend that all his hard work was worth it. Next we got is PreMid. This one was suggested by my friend Bryce. He actually mentioned a few other extensions as well, but I decided to go with this one. PreMid is available for both Firefox and a Chrome, but for Firefox you need to download the zip file and install it manually. I think you Firefox users are smart enough to figure that part out. And if not, I'll leave a video in the description showing you how to do it. But right now, I'll show you how to install it on Chrome. First, make sure you have developer mode enabled from your extensions menu. It's this little thing right here. Next, download the extension. You can find the link in the description. Then just install it like any other extension. Once that's done, it'll ask you to connect your Discord account, so go ahead and do that. And don't worry, it isn't asking for any weird permissions. Just click authorized and you're good to go. Now, if we play a video on YouTube, it'll show up on our Discord profile, letting people know what we're watching. And it works with all kinds of videos. Yes, all kinds. So your friends can see what you're watching, which is definitely something you should keep in mind. Like, be careful about what you watch, because they can see every bit of it. Anyways, PreMid also supports a bunch of other streaming services, so make sure to explore it yourself. Next, we have Google Dictionary, and it does exactly what the name says. You can double-click on any word and it'll show you its meaning. It's super simple and just does what it needs to do. One thing to remember though, it doesn't work on the Chrome web store itself, but it works pretty much everywhere else. This one was suggested by Alpesh from the server, so thanks, mate. Anyway, next we got Atarashii. It's a new tab page extension suggested by my good friend Changman. After you install it, this is what your new tab page can look like. And yeah, it basically shows you different anime wallpapers. Why you need it? Man, don't ask me these questions. By the way, you can actually choose what kind of wallpapers you want, so yeah, you do your stuff with it. You can also hide some of the UI elements if you want a simpler look. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we got Simple New Tab. This one is actually made by my friend VK, so be sure to show him some support. And no, it's not like the last extension. This one gives you a super minimal new tab page with basically just text and a few useful stuff. If you click on settings, you can actually customize pretty much everything from here. You can change the font or even add your own custom font. You can change the clock style, add links to any website, and even create different sections if you need more. There's also a weather API option and an option to display your Discord profile using your Discord user ID. And of course, you can change the colors as well, so you're not stuck with just this one. So yeah, definitely check it out and let me know if you guys like it. Now, if Atarashii was a little too horny for you guys, then Pixel Tab might be a better choice. This one was suggested by a Z0, nice name by the way. And this one adds a pixel style clock to your new tab page along with different styles of wallpapers. It's super nice, and honestly, it might fit your setup better than the other ones. So if you're into that pixel aesthetic, you might want to check this one out. Last one we got is called LocalCDN. This one was suggested by my friend Cesium, and honestly, I was a bit confused when I first saw it, but he explained what the extension actually does. You can read the explanation right here if you want to, or let me explain it in short. Basically, when you visit a website, that website needs to load a bunch of resources like JavaScript libraries, fonts, and other stuff. A lot of websites get some of these resources from third-party networks like Google, which means your browser may have to request those resources from another server. And for people who care about privacy, reducing those third-party connections can be a nice thing, you know? And that's where LocalCDN comes in. It provides local copies of most used web resources and can send those resources from your computer instead of asking them from the third parties. By default, the extension comes with a large collection of resources, and you can configure more if you want. They also have a tutorial explaining how everything works, so definitely check that out if you're into it. Now, yeah, this is a bit nerdy, but I think you guys can figure it out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I wanted to mention a lot more extensions, but man, this list was already getting so big that the video would have been way longer than I wanted it to be. But hey, if you want to suggest any extensions or even some random app you think I should check out, you can do that in my Discord server. That way I can keep track of everything and figure out what I should work on next. So then, be safe and also drink water. More videos are coming on the way, so be prepared. And with that said, peace.